we are back at it. We had so much fun last time. We are out for some more pain on the little Kawasaki KV75. And we got the buddies out today. We're gonna go rip. I got 3 gears. What's up, guys? We're back out with the mini bike. There's the Kawasaki KV75 and got the buddy out here on the Suron Light B. I'm gonna go shred the gnar. Let's go. I just gotta get this thing going again. He's got it so easy. All he does is turn his key on and hit the throttle. And I don't have my Kickstarter anymore. It's pretty warm out today. Oh, and the weed. Oh boy. Oh, slippery. I don't want to go that way. Too muddy. Tires are slippery on this. Okay, I'll try to chase you. Oh, he's throwing so many rocks. And I don't have brakes. Alright guys, I had a little bit of a flat tire, so I'm just going to pull out my handy Milwaukee air compressor here. It's kind of hard to get down in here. Screw that on there. Go with 8 psi, see what that does. Really handy tool, guys. Check this out in the link in the description for all your power sports needs. That is cool. If you've got a race day, track day, or just out trail riding your ATV, be sure to keep one of these in the truck. I think that's good though. We got some good squish. It's hard to do this without brakes. Oh. Too hard with all these bumps out here. Thanks for watching this video. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.